Before entering your expenditure information into CTEIS, you should plan and create any distribution tables necessary to your report. Distribution tables are optional features within CTEIS that you may use to easily assign portions of an expenditure to multiple programs. For example, if you have a counselor who works with career tech students from all of the programs within a building, you can create a distribution table to spread that counselor's salary or other related costs across those different programs. You could also set up a distribution table to bundle travel expenses or prorate equipment or maintenance costs. Distribution tables are created using the Distribution Tables option within the Expenditures menu. Here, you will select your fiscal agency and choose the building that houses the programs you wish to include in your distribution table. If you would like to include programs that run in different buildings, you may use the Select All in District option instead. Use the checkboxes beside the building name to indicate which programs you wish to include in your distribution table. Use the Distribution Table Name field to give your table a name that you will recognize. It is important to note that when you finish creating your table and begin feeding expenses into it, CTEIS will calculate the costs to be applied to each program you include based on the calculation option you select. The Based on Student Enrollment option is the default choice and will indicate to CTEIS that your expenditures should be divided based on the number of student enrollments within a program. This information is provided by the previous year's XO107 Secondary Funding Report, and programs that enroll large numbers of students will receive a proportionately greater share of the expenditures you enter than smaller programs. The Evenly Distributed option simply asks CTEIS to divide any expenses evenly among all the programs included within the current distribution table. Choosing Custom Calculations allows you to manually enter the rates at which your expenses are divided among your programs. Finally, click on the Enter Expense button to save your table. After you have perfected the distribution tables you will use to divide your expenditures, you are ready to enter your information into CTEIS. Click on the link titled Entering and Editing Expenditures to understand this process.